In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Godaddy affiliate partner in 2024 with a full, easy to follow tutorial. Whether you're looking to monetize your website or simply earn a bit of extra income, being an affiliate with Godaddy could be a great opportunity for you. So let's dive in and explore how you can join this program step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Godaddy's official website. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering www.godaddy.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a range of categories provided by Godaddy, including domain names, website hosting, online marketing tools, and more. This diverse array of services is exactly why Godaddy is a popular choice for millions globally, so partnering with them can be beneficial for both you and potentially your audience. Next, look for the affiliates link, which you can usually find at the bottom of the homepage. When you click on this, it will redirect you to Godaddy's affiliate program page, where you'll find an abundance of information about what being an affiliate involves. Here, Godaddy outlines the benefits of joining their program, which is instrumental for those keen to unlock additional streams of income. As you start exploring the affiliate program page, scroll through the page until you locate the section dedicated to partner programs. These programs are specifically designed to provide partners with the tools and resources they need to effectively promote Godaddy's services. Having access to these tools means you won't be left in the dark, even if you're new to affiliate marketing. Once you're well acquainted with the partner programs, it's time to take the next step and click on the affiliates link that appears within this section. Clicking this link directs you to another page, showcasing more details about the affiliate partnership. At this point, it's important to pay close attention to any requirements or constraints that might apply. Understanding these can help you gauge what will be expected from you as a partner and how you can prepare accordingly. Finally, when you're ready to join, find and click on the Join Now button. Clicking Join Now is an exciting moment. It's your gateway to becoming a part of Godaddy's affiliate program. You'll be prompted to fill out some necessary information to create your affiliate account. Be sure to provide all the required details accurately to avoid any future issues when setting up your account or processing potential earnings. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Godaddy affiliate partner. Remember, persistence and patience are key, as success in affiliate marketing often comes with time and consistent effort. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and good luck with your new venture as a Godaddy affiliate.